The homeschooling experience is satisfying, but managing your child's curriculum and everyday life can bring struggles. Homeworks by Precept Consultants know what it's like because they're homeschool moms just like you. Homeworks by Precept is a partner with BJU Press Homeschool because we share their core values of biblical worldview, academic excellence, and critical thinking. Organizing your homeschool, purchasing curriculum, and balancing home life can be a whirlwind. That's why we started the BJU Press Homeschool Nationwide Party. Join us for live Q&As with experienced homeschool moms, informative workshops, interviews with teachers, and behind-the-scene tours of BJU Press Homeschool. Join the party and take advantage of amazing discounts while our experienced consultants guide you through the order process, answering any questions. Be encouraged. Homeschool help is here. Let's make homeschooling a success. And let's party. To register for our event, visit homeschoolhelp.com/party.